At Sensequake, we develop leading sensing-based solutions for structural monitoring and investigations to make cities smarter and safer. ShakeLog uses highly sensitive sensors connected to the cloud server for real-time monitoring. The web-based platform monitors data 24/7, and advanced algorithms spot changes in the structural behavior to detect damages. Advanced seismic analyses can also be performed in real time using Sensequake's patented methodology. We are working very hard to develop the most cutting-edge vibration sensing technologies in order for you to get the most from your structures, and we look forward to helping you in your next project.